Hi everyone, it's Simone Ammons here with episode 4 of Q&A with QuneUp. Let's circle back to last week's question. We asked, what are the components of a good SOP? Standard Operating Procedure SOP. Before talking about the components of a good SOP, I thought it was important to discuss what an SOP is not, as I did in last week's episode. So today, we're going to dive right in. Here are the 8 main sections of an SOP. Title. A good title clues the reader in to what they're about to read. Purpose. What's the point of reading this SOP? What am I going to get out of it? Scope. Does this SOP even apply to me? If not, then who does it really apply to? Revision history. When was the last time this SOP was updated? Is the content still relevant? Prerequisites. Should I have been trained or read something else before starting this SOP? Safety considerations. What safety precautions do I need to take before executing this SOP? Procedure. The meat of the document. Tell me exactly how to do it. Exactly. Simple language, single lines, skip the paragraphs. Appendix. What other information can I refer to enhance my understanding of this SOP and this topic? This is where drawings, examples, and other relevant information goes, not within the SOP itself, or else you will end up cluttering the document and losing your reader. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.